So I wanted to show y'all real quick this little gun safe I have here. Now you don't have to use this gun safe. You can use it for, like jewelry, stuff like that. But this is a Glock 20. It's a 10 millimeter, pretty full size gun here. 2 mags in here, both fit fine. You might be able to fit a third, although if I'm storing it, I'll probably store it loaded but not chambered. So there's 3 ways to open this. You can use the keys here. You can use your fingerprint, which you will need to set. And it also has a code, which I'm not going to show you my code, obviously. So on top of that, it also comes with this fire safe money bag. You can keep cash or anything that you don't want to burn up, like documents, stuff like that. It also comes with a way of tethering this to something heavier. So I think this is really great if you're trying to keep your guns out of reach of children or just anybody that wants to get their hands on it.
As you can see, it unlocks. I have a pistol in it. I'm locking it. It's closed. I'll try a different code. Doesn't open. So watch this. Pick it up. Pick it up less than a foot. It opens right up. Drop test again. Pick it up. It opens every time if you drop it. Not a good gun safe.
So we have this gun safe for a pistol. This is locked. Oops. So obviously locked, right? Should be good, secure, unless you bump the side. And we can definitely not secure. Would not recommend. Really unsafe. Especially if you have children in the house or just even if it got stolen, huge liability. Don't purchase this one.
I'm going to be reviewing the AINIRO safe here. It's a car safe, ideally. You see I've got a security wire here. This is not safe. This is not safe. Watch, I'll show you how to open it. Oh wow, I just had to tilt it that time. Alright, so it's closed. Just have to bash it against something. That pops the hinge. Now it doesn't even want to close anymore. Well. So this is the AINIRO fingerprint security safe, model number HX-008. And here it is. I put my fingerprint thing in. That code works fine. But here's the thing that's not good. Get a kitchen knife. Go to the key holder. Turn it slightly. And presto, it opens. Once again, just a little gentle nudge, there it is. So, horrible, horrible product.
Great case, solid construction, metal, everything works great. I love the positive retention. Just the door kicks wide open. Full-size gun. It's Glock 20 in there. Plenty of room. Wonderful value. Great product.
So I just put the batteries installed, but it won't work. I'm doing exactly as it says here. Nothing happens. 1, 2, 3.
Vanessa told him to be careful because she's going camping and she's going to be too tired to talk water.